Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Monday, June the 15th. Stocks slid on Friday but did hold above the Mendoza line, positive on the week, up 0.1%, 1 full point in the E-mini S&P. The loss on Friday was 16 points and the finish was 2085, but it is a positive week after a couple negatives. Looking at the Dow futures were down 140 on Friday, 17,819. The Dow actually gained 49 points on a weekly basis to lead the three indexes, up 0.3%. The Nasdaq down, actually a loser on the week, down 0.5%. 44.63 was a close, down 36 points. Currencies were quiet. We had the dollar at 95. We had the euro currency close at 112.75. That was a gain of about 100 points on a weekly basis for that euro. Bonds were steady, up 4 ticks on Friday at 150.15. Crude oil has been interesting. It closed Friday exactly at $60 a barrel. It was down 80 cents. The gain for the week was 80 cents. And then we'll see where we are this morning, but right now we're down 80 cents. So for whatever reason, that keeps coming into play. Lastly, to round out the action from Friday and from last week, we had gold down $1 and steady at $11.79. The gain on gold was $11 last week. So after the sell-off, where do things stand here on this Monday morning? Well, we're seeing some follow-through selling here. We're down 9 points in the E-mini S&P at 2076, now trading the September contracts across the board. September contracts and the financials, meaning the indexes, the currencies, and the interest rates. Dow futures down 80 at 17,739. NASDAQ off 20 at 44.27. We're seeing a bit of a bounce in the dollar, 95.62, up 38 points. Euro currency a little lower, down 52 points at 112.23. Again, these are new September prices. The bond market's up 12 at 150.26. To give you guys a heads up here on the yields right now are 309 in the 30-year and 237 in the 10-year note. That's pretty solidly above 2% that we kept an eye on for a long time. So that's the old support down below. Looking at crude, like I said, it's down 80 cents, so keeping that 80-cent theme, 59.20, so pivoting around that $60 a barrel level. And lastly, gold's down $2 at 11.77. So to wrap up this current action, with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're seeing some sliding. Once again, we've got the S&P down 9, we've got the Dow futures down 80, and the NASDAQ, down 20 as it stands. I will see you early Tuesday morning for your morning market surge to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.